Well, my ICM CC750 crapped out on me, so now I need something else to control the blower motor in my air handler. So I'll be installing the QwikSeer WattSaver by QwikProducts. It says here that it's an affordable blower speed control for energy savings and humidity control. The QwikSeer WattSaver is used with PSC motors so that you can make use of all the speeds that your blower motor has for humidity control. And in the package you'll get the board right here that is connected to the sensor that goes to the evaporator. You'll get some wire and the bracket that holds the board, an instruction guide, and a little bag of hardware. I went ahead and removed the control board that's in my air handler because with this in there and everything else, it was just not enough room. I had to make a few changes here in my control section of the air handler. I think I'm going to put the WattSaver right here. Okay, I got the WattSaver installed here and attached to this small panel that gets inserted into the control section of the air handler, and here is my control transformer. And now for the real trick, which is going to be sliding this into the control section. I'll do this off camera. Okay, to show you what I've done here so far, I had to connect my low speed and medium speed together because my blower motor has only 2 speeds, so I'll be using well, unfortunately only 2 speeds until I get a 3-speed motor. If you need to know how I wired this, the instructions do come with a wiring diagram. Okay, now I have everything all wired up and screwed into place, and I guess I'm ready to try it out after I button up the hatches. Hello my viewers. Yeah, so what you're probably wondering is what happened after I buttoned up the hatches or put the panels back on the air handler. Everything went very well, and so now I'll have much better humidity control where the WattSaver will use the lower speed on my blower motor to help me achieve that optimum humidity control. And you can find out more about the QwikSeer WattSaver at qwik.com/products/QwikSeer.